Hi Kit, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good thanks. We're gonna jump out of a plane. Will this be your first time?
It is our first time, yeah.
How are you feeling about this?
Good.
I like your honesty. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Is there any special reason why you jumped in today?
He wanted to go, so...
Perfect.
I figured, okay, let's go.
I like it. Who's he?
This is my boyfriend, Sam.
Hi Sam, how are you going?
Thank you.
Good, good. You excited for this?
Super excited.
Very cool, very cool. Alright, well, all that's left to do is go jump. Would you like to say anything to anybody at home?
Hi Mom.
Alright, let's have a great time. Yeah, Kit. Welcome back down, man. You did great. How was it?
Here. Paul, you're giving me a hand up.
Let me help you up. It was amazing?
Yeah.
You think you'll ever try it again?
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, looking forward to see you, my friend. Yeah.
Awesome job, you guys. Congratulations.
Yeah, congrats, boys. Nicely done. Hey, let's get a picture of you guys together. Smile, boys. Thank you so much for choosing Skydive DeLand. High fives all around. We hope to see you guys again.